Video, I will show you how to use Duolingo for beginners. So just follow and watch this video till the end. So you have to open Duolingo first, and right now it will open here on the home page. So this is our home page. If we click here, guys, we can find our courses. And if we want to add a course, just we click here and add like another course. So guys, this is the homepage. You can find your rewards, your heart. And if you want to start like for today course, just click here. If you want to jump, just you have to scroll. Now let's go here. Here you can practice league, Duolingo League. But first you have to finish 9 lessons. If we click here, we can find the profile. If we click, guys, right now here, we can add our profile. We can share it from here. And if we click here, we will see the settings. Preferences like managing animation, listening, exercising, and many things. Profile, if you want to change some profile information or avatar or delete our account. And guys, if we want to sign out, we can sign out also from here. Also, we can find here our courses, and we can remove it from here. And if we want to join like a Duolingo for schools or a classroom, we can join it from here. So right now, if I back and I go here, I can find right now my quest. For example, click continue. I can find here right now like your your XP. If we click here, we can find our settings or our notifications. And yeah, guys, the application of Duolingo is very useful, as you can see. If you have any question, just type it down in comments. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye.